Okay, here's a good anatomical one about the ear. The area of a typical eardrum is about 5 times 10 to the minus fifth meters squared. They want us to calculate the sound power, the energy per second, incident on an eardrum at the threshold of hearing and at the threshold of pain. So we're going to use the relationship twice to calculate these values: threshold of hearing, threshold of pain. So the sound power incident on the eardrum is the relationship that we've learned, okay? This P looking symbol times I equals I times A, okay? Where I is the intensity of the sound and A is the cross-sectional area, 5 times 10 to the minus fifth meters squared, the area of the eardrum. So that P is our threshold of hearing to start with. So the intensity of sound, 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared, then gives us a relationship when we multiply that times the cross-sectional area of the eardrum. 1 times 10 to the minus 12th watts per meter squared times 5 times 10 to the minus fifth meters squared gives us a hearing threshold of 5 times 10 to the minus 17th watts. So it's pretty small. So in the second half then, we're going to calculate the threshold of pain then using the relationship. So you notice on this one we don't have the 10 to the minus 12th watts. We just have a value of 1. So the intensity 1 watt per meter squared, put it into the same relationship and we have 1 watt per meter squared times 5 times 10 to the minus fifth meters squared, which is the cross-sectional area of the eardrum, gives us now a threshold of pain of 5 times 10 to the minus fifth watts.